Amanda with Off-Leash Training in Hampton Roads, Virginia. This is Dexter. Dexter is a 5-month-old Bullmastiff. He is here for the 2-week board and train. The owners don't have any like behavior issues with him or anything. They just want a really well-behaved and well-trained pup, and we can most certainly do that for them. So let's see what Dex knows coming in on day 1. Hey, Dexter. Dexter, come. What do you see, buddy? Oh, it's a good boy. Dexter, come here. Dexter, come. Can you sit? Oh, that's a good boy. Oh, how about down? You want down? No? All right, come on, let's go for a walk. You want to heel? Come on, let's heel. Come on, Dex. Where you going? All right, come here, Dex. Dexter, come. All right, so I think we know sit. Everything else obviously needs a little bit of work. So stay tuned. Check him out in a few seconds and see how he's done in just a few weeks.
Josh Wilson with Off-Leash Canine Training, and I hope you enjoyed another amazing dog put out by my team. Across the country, we don't care about the breed, the size, the age, or the behavioral issue. We're going to make them awesome for you. If you're interested in seeing more videos like the one you just saw, click the image here on the screen. Also, I'd encourage you to check us out on Instagram and Facebook. And before you leave our channel, make sure you subscribe. So every time a new video comes up of another outstanding dog doing some crazy, amazing things, you're going to get notified in your email address. And for more information on other locations we have around the country, check us out at joshwilson.dog. Appreciate you so much for watching our channel. See you soon.